If you're looking for a house or apartment rental near UBC via AirBnB, VRBO, or another vacation rental site, you should focus your search on Kitsilano, Point Grey, W Broadway and W 41st Avenue. Kitsilano, Kits, is ideal. If you stay near W Broadway, a major street that runs east-west through Vancouver, it's easy to hop on the bus for UBC. Plus you can enjoy Kits dining, shopping and the beach. Point Grey is the residential neighborhood closest to UBC, but it's also one of the most expensive neighborhoods in Vancouver, so expect to pay more here. Stay near 10th Avenue for easy access to shops and dining. For less expensive rentals, look for accommodations near Vancouver's two major east-west streets, where it's easy to catch a direct bus to UBC, W Broadway and W 41st Avenue. Stay west of Main Street for shorter travel times. Neighborhoods along W Broadway include Fairview, near Granville Island and just east of Kitsilano, and Mount Pleasant. Neighborhoods along W 41st Avenue include Kerrisdale and Oak Ridge. Oak Ridge also has access to the Canada Line Rapid Transit.